For me, the best way of practicing mindfulness is being in nature. When mindfully observing, you can become aware of the fact that character strengths not only reside in human beings, but also in our natural environment. They are truly universal. These ants never give up. On an evening walk, gazing at the stars, I suddenly became very aware that I actually was walking on a fast spinning planet. Planet Earth is sharing the same direction with other planets, gravity keeping them all in sync. When working outside, this cat wondered what I was reading.